Welcome students. Today our topic is electric flux and its subdivisions, that is parallel, plane sheet and perpendicular for an uniform electric field. So now we discuss the definition of electric flux. So our topic electric flux. The definition is number of electric field lines crossing a given area kept normal to the electric field lines is called electric flux. Are you understand? The number of lines crossing a area it's normal to the electric lines is called electric flux, and it is a scalar quantity. The value of electric flux is both positive or negative, and the SI unit of electric flux is Newton meter square coulomb per minus 1. Repeated important one word and 2 mark questions. So what is mean by electric flux? The number of electric field lines is crossing a given area is normal to the electric field lines is called electric flux. Now a small example shown in figure. Unit positive charge. Consider a unit positive charge plus Q and two small rectangular area A and B. Positive charge plus Q, two rectangular area A and B. These areas placed in uniform electric field. These area placed in uniform electric field. Now the number of lines crossing these two areas. The number of lines crossing these two areas. The number of lines in the region A is more than that of the region B. The number of lines crossing the area A is more than that of the number of lines crossing region B. So what's here? The number of lines is reduces the strength, the increase in strength. Here the distance increases, the value of lines is decreases. The distance increases, the value of lines is decreases. So electric flux due to the region in here, the electric field strength for a point charge decreases, the distance increases. That is, the electric fluxes decreases as the distance increases. Are you understand students? The number of electric field lines is crossing a two rectangular area. It's having a same value. The A and B having a same value. The number of lines is crossing these two areas. The lines is more than the region A to the region B. Here the concept is the number of electric field strength is decreases as the distance increases, and also the number of electric flux decreases as the distance increases. However, the distance increases, the electric fluxes decreases. Okay. However, the distance increases, the electric fluxes decreases. So what is mean by electric flux? The number of lines crossing a unit area kept normal to the electric field lines is called electric flux. It having both positive and negative value, and the SI unit of electric flux is Newton meter squared coulomb per minus 1. It is a scalar quantity. Now we consider a 3 points. First one is plane, the area is normal. Second one is the area is parallel, and the third one is the area is perpendicular. That is, the area A is normal to the electric field lines. Second concept, the area A is parallel to the electric field. Third concept, the area perpendicular to the electric field. Okay students, now the topic is, already we told, electric flux for uniform electric field, that is parallel, perpendicular and normal. So first concept A. Here first concept, the area A is parallel to the first concept, the electric flux in an uniform electric field, consider a area A to the normal of electric field lines. Consider a area A normal of electric field lines as shown in figure. In this case, the value of electric flux is phi is equal to EA. Pi is equal to EA. And then our second concept, the area A is parallel to the electric field lines. The area A is parallel to the electric field lines. Here the value of pi is 0. Here the value of pi is 0. And the third one, the uniform electric field, the area perpendicular. Uniform electric field, the area is perpendicular. Here the incline at an angle theta, so the value of pi E is equal to E cos theta and A. E cos theta and A. So totally we find the value of these three concepts. Consider the value pi E is equal to E vector dot A vector. It's always is equal to E A cos theta. Because this cos theta is equal to 0. So cos 0 is equal to 1. So the first value EA is equal to 5. And the second concept, cos theta is equal to 90 degree. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So the total value is equal to 0. Our second concept. And last, cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1, that is the theta value. So pi is equal to E cos theta A. So these are the three concepts of electric flux for a uniform electric field in normal, parallel and perpendicular. The total concept of these lines are pi is equal to EA cos theta or E vector dot A vector. Are you understand students? Thank you. Our next topic is electric flux for closed surface. Electric flux for closed surface. For here, the value of electric flux for the entire area. The value of electric flux for the entire area. The total electric flux in this area is given by pi is equal to closed integral E vector dot dA vector. Are you understand students? The electric flux for closed surface, the entire area A is given by the electric flux pi E is equal to closed integral E vector dot dA vector. In here, the electric flux is negative. The electric field lines is entire the surface. At the same time, the electric flux is positive. The electric field lines is leaves the surface. If the lines is entire the surface, the electric flux is negative. If the lines is leaves the surface, the electric flux is positive. Are you understand students? Therefore, the total electric flux for a closed surface, it can be written by pi E is equal to closed integral E vector dot dA vector. Otherwise, it also written as closed integral E dA cos theta. Otherwise, it can be written as E dA cos theta.